Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Mistry and today we are going to see what are the type of streams in Snowflakes. So before we get into types of stream, let's quickly recap what streams are. Streams in Snowflake track changes like inserts, updates and deletes to the table. This allows you to capture and process data changes efficiently. Now let's see what are the types. So first we have standard streams. Standard streams are supported for table, directory tables and views. They track all the data manipulation language changes to the source object, including the inserts, updates, deletes, and truncates. So this is the default one, and it performs a join on inserted and deleted rows in the change set to provide a row level delta. So this means that if a row is inserted and deleted between two transactional points of time, it is removed from the delta and won't appear in the stream query. And the syntax for creating a standard stream is a simple one. That is the default method, that is create or replace stream, your stream name on table, your table name. And to query the stream, you can use select everything from my standard stream, that is your stream name. Now use cases for standard streams include general change data capture, where you need to track all types of modification to your data. Now the second type of stream is append only streams. Append only streams are supported for standard tables, directory tables and views. They exclusively track row inserts. Unlike standard streams, they do not capture updates, deletes or truncates. For instance, if you insert 10 rows into a table and then delete 5 of them before the stream advances, the append only stream would only record the 10 inserted rows. So the syntax is same as before, but there is a addition, that is you have to include append only equals to true, and query process the same, select everything from your stream name. Now append only streams are particularly useful for extract, load and transform, that is ELT processes, audit logs or append only log tables, making them the performant for such scenarios. Now third type of stream is insert only streams. So insert only streams are supported for external tables only. They track row inserts but do not record delete operations. For example, if a file is removed from cloud storage and another file is added, the insert only stream will return records for the rows in the newly added file only. Overwritten or appended files are treated as new files. The old file is removed without recording the delete, and the new file is added with the inserted record. The syntax includes create or replace stream, your stream name, and here it will have the change on external table, then your external table name, and the querying process is the same, that is select everything from your stream name. Now, insert only streams are ideal for scenarios where you're dealing with external data sources and need to capture only new rows being added to your data lake or cloud storage. So, in summary, Snowflakes offer three types of streams to suit different data processing needs: standard stream for tracking all types of DML changes, append only streams for capturing only new rows, and insert only streams for external tables to track new inserts without deletion. Each type has its own specific use case and benefits, allowing you to tailor your data processing strategy to your specific needs. So, I hope you understand what are the types of streams. Thank you.